just had a whirlwind.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
We laser cut. I don't know what we just did. My hair's so
Our
messy.
height difference.
I need a haircut. This is like Taylor Swift.
No, you don't. I like it.
This is like, oh. This is like Taylor Swift and Sabrina. This is like the height difference that they have.
Hey.
Not you. Maybe.
Oh, this is like, do you remember in like the Powerpuff Girls? It's
Wait,
like,
it is literally because she's 5'10", Taylor, and then
Yeah.
Sabrina's 5 foot, but you're 6 and I'm 4'10".
Now, if I did my math correct.
Oh wait, no. Oh wait, no.
close enough.
Cut that out.
See the pink and the orange and the brown. Oh, how come there's a color like that there? Oh, look at the flag. Is this like a gay building?
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. I've been looking for this card again. One time I could not find my keys. We
Oh
went
my
to
God.
the movie theater. We went to Winners. We went to we traced everywhere we go. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Rattling your ground.
Ooh, oh my god. I just got steam on the face. Can you see? This is hot. Wait. I still have to go to school, but here's how they. Okay. Hold on. There's also cookies over there. What?
It said me first. Oh my god.
Go, Kylie, go. Sneak
Like when we
peek.
watched it in the theater together.
Oh my god.
Thank you for the lovely bouquet.
That was a core memory. Another water talk. I literally spent, I think the longest I've ever been in the shop, like consecutively. Like I was in the shop for almost like 3 hours. Usually, like I go there for like 5 minutes, like half an hour. But I kept going down because like the week, like it's Friday, so the weekend's gonna be closed. And then I can't, like I don't want to wait till Monday, and then I present Tuesday. So I have to like cut everything, sand everything. And just hope for the best.
You're really testing my limits.
I was like, how is this like standing physically? Because like the column here is really on this and it's really on here. I was like, and this one's not touching it. It's literally just like, I'm like, bitch is defying gravity.
Defying gravity.
Having the time to catch a film. Even having the time to catch a film. That's when you really get the full movie experience. Some set, oh.
Jesus will return to rescue people. But Jesus doesn't hate you. Jesus doesn't hate you. He loves you.
I feel cozy in here.
But this like is the space inside.
I can like rest my hand here. I can just like.
This intentional ramp to really experience the state, but without like right now, a lot of people.
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go.
Almost done. She'll pass. We'll pass.
Historical events that are memorialized through architecture, the impact of domestic violence is impossible to accurately quantify. There's no finite amount of...
Oh my god. Okay, bye. Let's watch. Oh. We're done.
We're done.
And now we're gonna eat.
Oh my god, remember after M1 we went to Warehouse? And you like filmed like the same video?
Insert here. That's a wrap for filming M2. Okay, now we cry.